Social Security is a government program designed to provide financial assistance to individuals who are retired, disabled, or survivors of deceased workers. If you're wondering about your entitlement to Social Security benefits, the standard of proof required, and the procedures involved, this video will tell you what you need to know. To qualify for Social Security benefits, you must have earned enough work credits by paying Social Security taxes during your working years. The number of credits needed varies depending upon your age and the type of benefits you're seeking. For retirement benefits, you generally need 40 credits, with 20 earned in the last 10 years before you retire. The amount of income needed to earn a credit changes yearly. For example, in 2024, you earn 1 credit for each $1,470 of earnings, up to the maximum of 4 credits per year. For disability benefits, first you must be eligible, generally 20 credits earned in the last 10 years before disability, and must prove 2 main things. 1, you must have a severe medical condition that meets the Social Security Administration's definition of disability. This means the condition must prevent you from performing substantial work and is expected to last at least 1 year or more. This means the condition must prevent you from performing substantial work and is expected to last for at least a year or more. 2, inability to work. You must demonstrate that your medical condition prevents you from engaging in any substantial gainful employment. This is determined by considering your age, education, work experience, and the nature of your medical condition. To help determine if your medical condition meets the Social Security Administration's definition of disability, the administration has a listing of impairments. The listing outlines specific criteria for various medical conditions that are considered severe enough to prevent an individual from working. Examples of conditions in the listings include musculoskeletal disorders such as back injuries and joint disorders, cardiovascular conditions like heart failure or coronary artery disease, respiratory disorders such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, mental disorders like depression, anxiety disorders, and schizophrenia, or neurological disorders such as epilepsy, MS, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. Meeting the criteria in the listing doesn't guarantee eligibility for benefits, but it can be a helpful guide in understanding the types of conditions that may qualify. It's important to provide detailed medical evidence and follow the Social Security Administration's regulations and procedures closely when applying for disability benefits. If your initial application for Social Security benefits is denied, you have the right to appeal the decision. The first step in the appeal process is reconsideration, where your case is reviewed by a different examiner. If your claim is still denied, you can request a hearing before an administrative law judge, for short ALJ. At the hearing, you'll have the opportunity to present evidence and testimony in support of your claim. The ALJ will consider all the evidence and make a decision based upon the facts of your case. If the ALJ denies your claim, you can appeal to the Social Security Appeals Council and ultimately to federal court. It's important to note that the process of applying for and appealing Social Security benefits can be complex and time-consuming. It's advisable to seek the assistance of an experienced Social Security attorney to help you navigate the system and increase your chances of success. Social Security benefits can provide valuable financial assistance to individuals who are retired, disabled, or survivors of deceased workers. Understanding the eligibility criteria, standard of proof, and procedures involved in obtaining these benefits is essential. However, the initial application for Social Security was designed to be completed without an attorney, and most of the time, irrespective of merit, it's denied at this initial stage and you have 60 days to appeal. If you don't move within that 60 days, your claim is precluded. So, after you receive the denial of your initial application, immediately contact the Law Center at 1-689-304-2660 to be connected with a partner law firm near you for a free case evaluation.